Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Happy Friday and welcome back to another 5 Friday favorites. Alright, so today's video is a little bit different from things that I typically share here on my channel, but I polled over on Instagram what you guys wanted to see for some upcoming videos. I even put a little box and asked for video requests, and overwhelmingly people wanted to see an updated, well, not really updated because I don't really do them a lot here, but a clothing haul nonetheless of things that I've been loving. I've been sharing a lot here and there as I buy things over on Instagram. I have clothes here, I have shoes here that I'm loving. So I think naturally a lot of you wanted to kind of see a little bit more details of the things that I've been loving. So I have 5 different things, places, a little bit more than 5, but I've kind of tried to narrow it down here of things that I've recently bought here in the past maybe month or two. They're all things that I wear like crazy. I'm gonna put a little bit of disclaimer here in the beginning. This is a judgment-free zone, friends. Okay, judgment-free. No one is going to judge me for the amount of colors that I may or may not have in the same item. Tell me down below in the comments if you do this so I don't feel so much like a crazy person. But everything that I'm sharing with you today, I actually have in multiple colors of the same thing because I love it so much. So if that tells you anything, it tells you that all of these things are legitimately my favorites. All right, number 1, and it is from a local boutique here to me. They ship, they have super fast and really easy checkout shipping, all of that online, which is why I feel comfortable sharing them here on YouTube. I know a lot of you aren't local to me, but they do a lot of online business, so you can definitely shop them and get pretty much everything that I'm sharing here today. Now, with it being a boutique, a lot of the clothing items, as some of you probably know, sell out rather quickly. Sometimes they restock, sometimes they don't. I will link everything down below, but if for some reason something I'm sharing today is sold out, I can almost guarantee that there's gonna be something similar or something that you like even more on their site. The name of the boutique is Riley Ray Mod Market, and like I said, it is local here to me. The first item that I'm showing you today is actually the shirt that I have on. I love it. It is really, really comfortable. I have it in 3 colors. I have it in this kind of creamish linen color, I guess you can say, that I have on here. It's like a light brown. The color is probably picking it up really well in here, but what I like about it is it's thin and it's lightweight. It's perfect for summer, but it has like a ribbed texture to it. So it's not like see-through or anything like that. For example, one of the other colors that I got in it is actually like a very light cream or white color. And you cannot see through it. Like, I don't feel like you can see my bra straps. Sometimes with white shirts, it's really hard to get like a nice, like thick shirt, but something that doesn't feel so heavy when you wear it on your body. The length in it is a little bit longer. Now, I'm short. I have a very short torso. I'm 5 foot nothing. So t-shirts and shirts tend to be a little bit longer on me, but with this kind of rib texture, I can bunch them up or front tuck them and they're perfect. Another thing that I really like about it is the sleeve length here on me. I know that's weird, but sometimes sleeve length, especially if they have like a cuff or a roll, they get all funky in the wash. These actually just have a sewn in like cuff, I guess you could say. It's not rolled or anything, but it just adds something over there on the side. I love them. I think that they're really lightweight, comfortable. Like I said, I have it in this color, I have it in white, and then I also grabbed it in black. In my recent video that I did for Erin Condren, it was an unboxing of their brand new life planner. I was actually wearing a jean jacket from this same boutique. I got so many messages about that jean jacket. Where did I get it? Where is it from? I love it. I wear it all the time. It's one of my favorite jackets. It has a really fun like raw hemline at the bottom, and it's kind of distressed here at the top. I should have grabbed it out of the closet to show you guys, but that is also from this boutique, those of you that were asking. One of the main things that I tend to get when I go in here are dresses. They always have like the cutest, lightest like sundresses. I'll just show these to you really briefly. I love this one. It is so lightweight. It's kind of like a baby doll dress. It has a little bit of a hem here at the top. The sleeves are like a nice little flutter sleeve. I love the colors. This one here actually comes in 2 colors. I will likely buy the other color, just saying. But this one here is really cute as well. It's just a summery V-neck. It actually has a little button over here on the side, and then at the very bottom you have another like hemmed kind of bottom, like around the bottom of the dress. So it's really cute. It also has a little bit of a seam here, so it's very flattering on the body. So definitely, I can't recommend this boutique enough. I always get in so much trouble when I go in there. All right, number 2, I want to talk about some of my favorite sneakers. These I get asked about a lot over on Instagram because I will randomly have them in some type of a story or a post or something, but they are from Rothy's. They are a little bit of an investment. This is not a cheap pair of sneakers by any means, but I absolutely love them. Like, I cannot recommend them enough. I feel like they are worth every stinking penny that they cost. I actually have a handful of the sneakers because they're my favorite. I have 2 different pairs from Rothy's that I'm going to show you. I haven't tried any of their flats or their pointed shoes or the square toe, I believe there is. I haven't tried any of those. I've only tried the lace up, which I'm about to show you, and their sneakers. They're so comfortable. It's literally like walking on a cloud. These I wear the heck out of. They're dirty, you can see. I mean, these are my favorite ones. I believe the print is called Camo Cat. I will list it below. I also really like these blue tie-dyed ones. I'm not sure if they're available anymore, but just like anything else, they have new colors all of the time that come out in these. One thing that I really like about it, especially with these, I've actually washed them 2 or 3 times, I think. As you can see, they have like a little bit of dirt here, but it comes out in the wash every single time. The soles of the shoes actually just pull out really easily here, and you can wash your shoes. You can wash your dirty old soles of your sneakers, throw them in a bag, and they really do come out good as new. Like I said, I can't say enough about them. They're the most comfortable thing I've ever put on my feet, and I wear them like crazy. Another pair from Rothy's, the first pair that I have in this style that I recently got, is another big favorite. I feel like if you're gonna invest in a good pair of shoes for the summer, these would be ones that you're gonna wear the heck out of, and I feel like they kind of go with everything. These are the lace-up sneakers. I love the kind of ribbed look that's on these. If I can get the camera here to focus. I just think that they're different. I think they're so cute. They're really, really comfortable, super comfortable. They have the signature like blue Rothy stripe here in the back, just like the sneakers that I showed you. You can take out the base of these and wash them just the same. I believe, wait, maybe I made a liar out of myself. No, oh yeah, they totally do. Okay, I'm like, wait, I haven't actually washed these, so I don't know. But they have, like, here you can see just how much of a support these sneakers have. Like, they're incredible. I highly recommend them. And like I said, I feel like they go with everything. Like, for example, I was at my daughter's recital the other weekend, and she had on this cute little overall outfit that was part of her recital, and she wore these because she needed to wear white sneakers, and I had on my flats with like a dress, but they started to hurt her feet because she is an entire size bigger than me as far as shoe size. So I ended up switching with her, and I gave her my sandals and I wore these with my dress. So they really do go with literally everything. So these here I would highly, highly recommend for summer. All right, number 3, I want to talk about some of my favorite like workout type gear really quickly. I am not a gym person. I don't go to the gym. I wouldn't even really call what I do working out. I walk, and I sometimes lightly jog, and I go anywhere from 2 to 3 miles almost every day, almost. A good 5 times a week. I have like a loop around my house. There's awesome trails, so I'm really kind of blessed with like a nice outside area to walk in. It is getting super hot outside. It was like 95 yesterday. It looks like it's about the same today. So I have to kind of alter when I walk as far as like early morning, like late in the day, like evening, or early night, I guess you could say, is kind of my favorite time to walk because it's just so nice. But anyways, I needed a good sports bra and a good pair of leggings to wear when I was walking and running, because all of my other stuff was just not good. So I went to Old Navy. I did a lot of kind of research online. I'm like, I don't know, like I have Fabletics leggings that I don't really love so much, but I got a lot of like recommendations on these, so I grabbed them. I got 2 pairs of these particular leggings. They were like, I think they were buy one get one half off at the time or something like that, but they are the Elevate legging Power Soft. I'll link them below. But they look like this. I got a pair of black ones here that I've already worn like crazy. And then I got this kind of gray pair that I haven't worn yet. What I love about them is the actual feel of the material. It's nice and stretchy. They are crazy soft. And what I also like about them is the type of compression that they have. So I have a pair of Fabletics leggings, and they're high compression and they're ribbed, and I like them, but they're not my favorite. And then I have other leggings I think that are not really essentially designed to be working out in, and they're not enough compression. I feel like these are the great in the middle. I would kind of categorize them as like a mid compression type legging. I love the bigger band here at the top of them because I feel like it's just really comfortable the way that it sits. It doesn't roll down or anything like that. But my absolute number one thing that I wanted in a pair of leggings, and I found, oh, someone just texted me, and I found in these leggings are the pocket. So there's a pocket here on both sides. It is the perfect pocket right on my like thigh to slip my cell phone down into. So I have my earbuds in and I have my cell phone and I can just go in them. So I love them, and I love the pockets on the side. The other item that I picked up from Old Navy in 2 different colors is this here sports bra. What I like about it is it zips here in the front. So instead of having to like pull it down over your head or even snap in the back, it actually zips up the middle. So it's really easy to put on and on, especially if you're like super sweaty from working out and it's kind of always hard to get everything off afterwards and like get in the shower or whatever. But this is really easy because it just zips up the middle. It has really nice support. It doesn't have any of those removable type cups that you get all like that they wash really funky and they cinch up and all of that. I hate those. So this doesn't have any of that. It's built in to the sports bra, and the back just has kind of a little hole here. So I really, really love this as well. And it comes in a ton of different colors. Number 4 is another item that you guys may or may not make fun of me for having literally 4 to 5 of the same shirt in the same color or in different colors. Like, I don't know, I just really, really like it. But it is from StitchFix. I wanna talk about StitchFix for just a second before I show you the shirt. I've been getting StitchFix boxes off and on for years. I actually have a couple of random unboxings from years ago here on my channel. I can link them if you guys wanna kind of see what I'm talking about. But you can opt in or opt out. It can be an every month thing. It can be a twice a month thing. You're in control of it all the time. But basically what it is it's a created box for you based on your style, based on your sizes, based on what you're looking for. A stylist actually picks out 5 items and they ship them to you. You keep what you want and then pay for what you want, and then you send back what you don't want. I have found some really cool pieces from these boxes over the years, like different sweaters, some nice shirts. I found jeans, I found shoes, I found a ton of different things from these boxes. I highly recommend trying it if you haven't tried it. I think I have a referral code. I think it's $25 off or something like that. It changes. Sometimes there's even more of a discount. It kind of changes as to what specials that they have, but I'll have that down below so that you guys can try it. I think the $25 goes towards anything that you want to buy from your box. But I say all that to say, like, that's what Stitch Fix is known for, is like their boxes that they send out like based on your style, right? But they also have an option on their website that you can buy clothes on there and not have to get a box. And what's really cool about it is if you're like me and have a history of buying things from them, they keep all of that in your history so that they can recommend things to you that you like. And if there's another color in your favorite shirt, they will tell you so that you can buy it. So that's how we got these. I got this shirt here in a Stitch Fix box. I feel like it was like 100 years ago. This is like one of my oldest, most worn shirts ever. And I've washed it and it washes up so well. I think it even says that you can't dry it, but I dry everything. I don't know if you guys are like me, but it happens. I do. But what I love about it is just the material. It's really soft, and I think it's different because it has buttons up the back of it. So it's really cute, kind of the way it lays on jeans. It's just like, I feel like it just dresses it up just a little bit for it being a striped t-shirt. So like I said, I got this one in a Stitch Fix box, and then recently saw all these other colors and I grabbed them. I grabbed them. So these are two that I literally just got in the mail. It's like a peach color, again, literally the same thing, buttons up the back, and then this color, which I really like. I think this one's fun, buttons up the back. And then I also have a darker gray. I think I might even have a lighter gray. If I'm being honest, that's in the wash right now. I love them. I think they're awesome. Highly, highly recommend. Last but not least, let's talk about shorts really quickly. I have a hard time with shorts every year because I have very, very short legs. So I can't wear like the longer Bermuda type length shorts, but I can't really wear like the 3-inch shorts either because I feel like they're just too short for me. I feel like, I don't know, they just don't look right on me. So I have trouble with shorts. I also don't like traditional jean zip up type cuffed shorts. I don't know. I wear them, I have them. I'm not saying that I don't have any of them, but I have a hard time with shorts is basically what I'm saying. So at the Loft outlet, I believe, I hope I can link these. I really hope, I'm pretty sure I can. I bought them recently. So anyways, they are these elastic waisted shorts and they tie in the front. So they're awesome because they're lightweight and they're comfortable. They're not like a stiff jean material. They have pockets here in the back of them and they come in such a big variety of colors. And I feel like you can really buy like true to size if you wanted to, or you could size up if you wanted them to be looser fitting. To me, these are pretty true to size. So I would definitely go with that. Or like I said, even size up because I feel like they're not gonna look super baggy if you decide to do that. So they have pockets, they're really soft. This one pair that I have is like a white, what is this, eyelet like patterned color. This is why I'm not a fashion blogger. This is why I don't do this. But anyway, so that's what they look like here. I also got a kind of like gray color. I've worn these a bunch, washed, dried them. They're awesome. They are really, really soft, but they look like this and they have pockets in the back. Go with everything. I have this color and then I also got a light jean color, which literally goes with everything and anything. So highly, highly recommend these if you're like me and kind of have a trouble buying shorts in the summertime. All right, so there you have it. You guys asked for it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you don't think I'm crazy for having 1 million of the same thing in different colors. I hope that you found maybe some new stuff or some new stores or brands that you might want to try out for yourself. I will, as always, try to link everything that I can down below. If you have trouble with anything that I link, feel free to reach out, message me, leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. So I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you next week.